There's a fish that built whole villages in Cornwall and they nearly disappeared, but now they're back on our menu. Cornish sardines. Really right in season now, the right time to eat sardines, the right time of year in the summer. Fish generally are in good condition before they spawn and therefore their flesh is much firmer, they look much sleeker and more appetizing. After they've spawned they're a bit tired, so they're not as nice to eat. Sardines used to be called pilchards, and then a friend of mine actually, I've known him for a long time, Nick Howell, suggested calling them Cornish sardines, which indeed they are a member of the sardine family, and they've taken off. The way to cook them is just grilled and brushed with a bit of olive oil or ordinary oil, salt and pepper on the grill, and then just eat them with some lovely fresh sourdough bread, say. It's just sort of nibble the flesh and then take a bite of bread. It's just heaven, I think.